Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are at DV Auto Works for another installation. Here today is the brand new 2020 Mercedes-AMG G63. This is a 2020 model, so this car comes with the OPF filters. This is the Akrapovic Evolution Line titanium exhaust system that we are going to fit on the G63 today. This is the stock exhaust system that we taken out from the G-Class. So this is very heavy. And of course this Akrapovic system is very lightweight because it's made of titanium, so you can actually carry it with one hand. The valve motor we transfer from the original system to this Akrapovic Evolution Line. It also comes with this beautiful handcrafted titanium tips that definitely looks a lot better compared to the original tips. We have finished the installation and now we'll fire up the car and listen to how it sounds with the Akrapovic Evolution Line titanium exhaust system. And that's it, we have completed the installation of Akrapovic Evolution Line titanium exhaust system on this beautiful 2020 G63. So let us know in the comment sections below what you think about the new exhaust sound. Remember to like and share our video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents.